to finish on top.
Vidicic, his ball in, the nod down for Ramsey, and they do have a second. Ian Ramsey just steering it in with the outside of the left foot. 3.5 minutes to go, 4-2.
But if that's going to be anything more than a consolation, it's going to be a rip-roaring last few minutes. Look at the space on the edge of the penalty area where Ramsey drifts in. And Cole doesn't get goal side as he needs to. Honestly, he could have grazed Cattle in that space as the ball was floated over and then bounced back to Ramsey.
Kovic saves that ball through from Jite, who was looking for the marauding run of Ian Fife. All of a sudden, the crowd that was